on the ground at Virginia International Raceway for 2026 Hyperfest. You can see all the horsepower, all the drift cars coming in right behind us. We're here, but you're not. You missed this year. Mark your calendar for 2027, please. We beg of you, join us here next year. We're going to show you everything you missed this year, starting with the Patriot track right over there. Join us as we dive into drifting together right now. I miss you. That's awesome, man. We're here at the car show at Hyperfest, and $15,000. What do you think? Leave a comment. Is it worth it? It obviously depends on what's under the hood, but we got 96,000 miles. Fun number 336-260-1669. Very clean. The body is exceptionally clean. Leave a comment. Would you pick it up? How much would you pay for it? So I'm walking through the pits, I happened upon this guy, and I overheard him talking about how he dropped the valve, which that really sucks. You come out to the track, and then this happens. Appreciate you watching and checking out. We're still out here at the Patriot track. They have been ripping it up all day long. Please like and subscribe. Definitely check out our Hyperfest playlist. You'll find that video's link in this video. Tons of action like this in the last 4 years running we've been here. This being the 25th anniversary of Hyperfest. So big props to the Hyperfest team here. Amazing, amazing event they put together. We'll leave that playlist link in this video's description like I was trying to shout earlier, but the Roadrunner's coming back out right behind Jay's shoulder there. With that, we appreciate you watching. If you like classic cars, muscle cars, if you like drifting, keep it locked on Fresh Vintage. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.